takeoff. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the ATTI mode.
Right there by that rock. Started? Okay, here I am, already looked for my drone. Got my layup sticks here, 12 feet worth, with a hook on the end. I see something down there. And it looks like my drone. I wonder. Hey. Throw the phone in. Whatever it is, it's moving with the stick. It's my drone. That's it. I found it. Can you come over here?
Still recording. You want me to keep recording?
Keep recording.
Okay.
See it?
Oh, yeah.
Can you see it on the camera? If I can just snag it.
Not very well, but barely, yeah. Why didn't you bring a pool skimmer with you?
You know what?
A pool skimmer.
Yeah, I should have. I couldn't see which way the hook was pointed. Now I see it. Oh. It's getting easier to see.
Every once in a while the surface gets clear and I can see it pretty well in the end of the pole.
Let's make sure you get the hook the right way.
Your hook's the
right way.
Oh, I thought it was pointed up. Does it have two hooks on it?
Only one that points back.
Oh.
Oh, I thought I hit it. See, it's like that.
Yeah.
Keep slipping off. Oh, I hit it.
Yeah. Don't let it go up too high. It's going to get stuck in that current.
I know. Right. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you.